Hello guys, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. I've been wanting to do this video for a very long time, but I didn't get the right time. So I thought, let me just do it right away because the more I procrastinate, but this is a very important video, so I didn't want to procrastinate and delay this video any further. The main reason why people fail is because um, it's impossible for someone to work hard consistently for 3 4 years or 5 years or 6 years. And if you just want to be an outlier in this space, because trading is a space where 99% of the people, they don't make money. Out of every 100 people, just one make money. So you basically have to outsmart the other 99 people in the room. Not just that, you have to sacrifice your time, you have to sacrifice your entertainment, you have to sacrifice all the hobbies you have. Now you may ask me, what if I find a balance? When it comes to trading, you cannot afford to have balance. This is just like UPSC exam, guys. Just that UPSC, there are certain rules behind it. Everyone has they all know it's a very serious exam. You have to spend 14 hours a day and everything. I feel that it succeeding in trading is as similar as, I wouldn't say as similar. Definitely UPSC is way higher, harder than trading for sure. But I would say I would put trading below that, because of just the data is showing you. Like even the SEBI has admitted that out of 100, 99 people lose money, just 1%. So it's extremely hard. And the reason is, I have seen a lot of people who has extraordinary goals in trading. They want to do that, they want to make $1 million, $2 million. When I asked in my Instagram profile, what's your goal in trading, all I see is my goal is $100 million, 1,000 crores, 2,000 crores. It's absolutely not wrong to have extraordinary goals, but if you don't work for it, the same people who says they want $100 million, these are the same people who goes and party during the weekends. They waste their time on Netflix, they waste their time in their hobbies. uh, there is no time for this. If you really want to succeed in something, you don't even have the time to think about these entertainment. At least that's how it used to be for me when I started out. I did not think about, for almost around 2 to 3 years, I did not go to theaters. When my one of my colleague asked me, when was the last movie you watched, I think in 2019, he asked me, the last movie at that point of time I watched was Bahubali 2, which is quite a famous movie in India. And then I realized I did not go to theaters for more than 2.3 years. And it's not just that, it's not just the movies. I did not spend on any, I did not spend anything on, not on my dress, not on my traveling. Although I did just one travel, I went to Philippines with the profits that I made from a stock. But other than that, I sacrificed a lot, both in terms of time, money, hobbies. I did have some hobbies which I did not follow, or I did not do anything. I did not play badminton or anything I liked. I did not do it. All I had is one goal in my mind, that to be successful in trading no matter what, because I was so busy in learning all the new stuffs. Back then, it was, everything was new to me in 2018, 19, 17. These are the times when I learned a lot, and I was losing a lot, and 90% of my money went into trading. All the money that I earned in my IT job, it all went into trading. And yeah, I have talked about this in other videos, that how it all went up, it ended up. That is a different story, but what I mean to say is that you should be ready to sacrifice if you really want to succeed in this space. And it's completely fine if you do not, if you cannot sacrifice these things, but do not expect to be the 1% in trading, because it requires sacrifice, it requires time, it requires patience. You may not succeed, because in the time, this era is all about instant gratification, right? Do you want do you want something, like a food, you order, it arrives in 10 minutes. Do you want any groceries, it arrives to your place in 10 minutes. Anything you want, maximum is 24 hours. You get everything in 24 hours. And when you say something to a guy like, okay, this is trading, this is going to take 1 or 2 years, you're gonna have to sacrifice and work hard, he's gonna be like, no, I'm not gonna do that, because everything that I wanted in my life, I got it in 24 hours. If I wanted to watch a movie, I watch Netflix. If I want to book it, everything is instant in this world. And most important thing is delayed gratification, guys. I cannot stress this enough. um, Delayed gratification is everything. Like, I had no motorcycle, proper motorcycle. Okay, I studied in a college where everyone rode a very good bike. Okay, I was the only one to have. It's not even a mediocre bike. It's a very basic bike. A 50-year-old would drive. I took this. I rode this bike. I used to have this bike when I was doing college. They used to laugh at me for using these bike, but that's all my father could afford, and I wouldn't ask him for any super bikes or something like that. I didn't even had the guts to ask my father. So anyone in my place, the moment he joins a job, what would he do? He would definitely buy a decent bike, isn't it? But I did not do that, because the reason why I'm saying this is I'm for sure, I know that anyone in my place, the first month, he would have bought a very good bike. uh, and I mean, I still use this bike right now. Since I'm in Dubai, it's my dad is using it. I did not buy any good motorcycle, not when I'm earning good, not even in 2007, 2016 I started earning. 2017 I could have, I moved to an American company where I got a decent package, not great, decent package, enough, good enough to buy a decent motorcycle. But I did not. I delayed my this is delayed gratification. Like, I wanted to delay this, because if I put this money in trading or anything that will help me grow more, it's not just trading, guys. You may think that I just spent money on my trading. It's not just trading. I spent a lot on my education. Everything that I know today is because I spent on courses. I mean, I'm not saying this just because I sell courses, but honestly speaking, everything that I learned in my life is not from school or college, but from the courses that I learned, be it digital marketing, be it editing. I learned front end development in 3 months through a course. I did not learn, not even a single, I did not know anything when I studied in college. I did not learn anything. That's the truth. Yeah, and in 2017, 18, 19, I did not buy anything. And even in 2000, fast forward 2 3 years, okay, where I got successful in trading, I made really good money. I reached 1 crore. Okay, even when I reached 1 crore, I did not buy any motorcycle or any luxury sports car, because I have seen multiple creators on YouTube or anyone. The moment they reach the first crore, they buy a car for 30 40 lakhs, or a second hand luxury car. And that is the worst thing for a guy who made 1 crore. That is the worst investment. Like, your goal should be to convert your 1 crore into 10 crore, not put into some thing that is not going to fetch you money. And yes, you have to find a balance. It's not just making money. Meanwhile, you also should treat yourself, which is not bad. If you like travel, go for travel and buy a car. I did buy a car for 20 lakhs when I made a decent 1.5 crores. And um, yeah, these are the things which I followed. Again, I don't consider myself to be very successful or something like that. But these are the things that I followed to reach where I am right now. And if anyone wants to succeed in their life, they can try to follow me. And some of the people who are watching this, they will reach 1 crore for sure in their life. And please do not buy some luxury cars or luxury watches or luxury travel. Not yet. Reach 5 crore, and then you can buy a luxury car for 50 lakhs or something like that. And then reach 10 crore, and you just have to focus on. And after 10 crore, maybe you can relax a bit. You can afford to buy a car for 70 80 lakhs or something like that. This is how it should be. this is why you fail in trading. All the things that I discussed, like main reason, step one, they waste a lot of time. They just follow the same routine that every random guy follows in his life. How can you expect an extraordinary outcome if you follow a very ordinary routine, or if you follow an ordinary lifestyle? uh, there is a fee, you have to pay something to get something in return, right? So the fee here is your sacrifice, and if you're not ready to sacrifice, I'm sorry to say, you will not succeed. I just want to put it bluntly. I don't want to sugarcoat this, beat around the bush, uh, because this is trading. I don't want. And again, guys, I just want to say that it's completely fine for anyone to not have extraordinary goals. I'm not saying everyone should have everyone should earn 100 million. No, it's not that. Some people are content with what they are earning. They are happy, correct? So this may not apply for them. It's completely fine. This video is all about the advice for the people who wants to achieve extraordinary things, but they don't know the path towards that. Okay, they're lost. I have seen not just once, I've seen multiple people, because I follow them on Instagram. Okay, some of my students, I follow them, and they have good goals and everything. The reason why they don't see the results is because they spend a lot of time doing things that I told you, like partying, Netflix. I just wonder, like, how can you succeed, how can you outsmart the other 99 people if you are not going to uh, if you're not willing to sacrifice? So yeah, that is my rant. Not even lying, I did not prepare anything for every video that I make on this YouTube channel. I do not prepare scripts, everything, chart explanation from all the videos that I've made until this point. I have not made any scripts. It just comes, whatever is in my mind, I just record it. And this is why I sometimes stutter, because I'm just thinking what to say. So yeah, I hope you learned something from this video. Please follow something, and also let me know what you learned in this video. What you, in case if you did something wrong, let me know in the comment section what you would do better in the upcoming months, years. And also, if you already followed this, because I've already made a video about how I used to live frugally, right? So people must have, they would have, they would have learned something from this video. If you have done that, please let me know in the comment section. And that would be all. Thank you so much for watching this video with patience, and also click that bell icon, and also do not forget to watch that 1 hour analysis video which I uploaded last week. It's very beneficial. I'm just saying this and stressing this again, because a lot of people are making money out of that video. Okay, and it's free. Thank you so much.